Sequence and series. Sequence consists of arithmetic sequence and also geometric sequence. Today we're dealing with arithmetic sequence. The common difference D is equals to T2 minus T1 is equals to T3 minus T2. And also the first term is equals to A. A is always equal to the first term. The first term. Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. And sum of terms is equals to n over 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D with the formula we use to calculate the sum, and then formula we use to calculate the number of terms or the nth term. And A is always equal to the first term. D is the common difference, which is equals to successive term minus previous term. That is T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T2. Sequence and series. Today we're dealing with a geometric sequence. A is always equals to the first term. R, which is the common ratio, is equals to successive term divided by previous term. That is T1, T2 divided by T1, and also equals to T3 divided by T2. Then Tn in geometric sequence is equals to A r to the power n minus 1. Sn is equals to A into r to the power n minus 1 over r minus 1, where r can never be equals to 1. Given the arithmetic sequence 1 is to 2 is to 3, determine the fourth term and the fifth term. We have the first term A is equals to 1 and D is equals to T2 minus T1, which is equals to 2 minus 1. Therefore, D is equals to 1. Therefore, we're determining the fourth term. T4 is equals to A plus 3D is equals to A is 1 plus 3 into common difference 1. Therefore, T4 is equals to 1 plus 3, which is equals to 4. T5 is equals to A plus 4D. Therefore, T5 is equals to the value of A is 1 plus 4 into the value of D is 1. Therefore, T5 is equals to 1 plus 4, which is equals to 5. Given the sequence 5 is to 7 is to 9, determine the fourth term and the fifth term. First term A is equal to the first term, which is 5, and D is equals to successive term minus previous term. That is equal to T2 minus T1, which is equal to 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. Therefore, T4 fourth term is equals to A plus 3D is equals to, the value of A is 5 plus 3 into the value of D, 2. Therefore is equals to 5 plus 3 times 2 is 6. Therefore, fourth term T4 is equals to 11. Then the fifth term T5 is equals to A plus 4D. The value of A is 5. 5 plus 4 into the value of D is 2 is equals to 5 plus 8. Therefore, fifth term T5 is equals to 13. Sequence and series. Given the sequence 8 is to 3 is to minus 2, determine the 20th term of the sequence and also determine the sum of the first 20 terms. Given sequence 8 is to 3 is to minus 2, determine the 20th term. T20 is equals to A plus 19D. A is equals to 8, D is equals to minus 5. Therefore, T20 is equals to 8 plus 90 into minus 5. Therefore, is equals to 8 minus 95. Therefore, T20 is equals to 8 minus 95 minus 87. Given the sequence 8 is to 3 is to minus 2, determine the sum of the first 20 terms. Sn is equals to n over 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, we're determining the first 20 terms. Sum of the first 20 terms is equals to 20 over 2 into 2, a is 8, plus 20 minus 1, d is equals to 10 into 16 plus 19 into the value of d is minus 5. Therefore, sum of 20 terms is equals to 10 into 16 minus 95. Therefore, sum of 20 terms is equals to minus 790. Given arithmetic sequence 2x plus 1 is to x minus 3 is to 3x minus 4. We have to calculate the value of x and write down the first 3 terms. D is equals to T2 minus T1 is equals to T3 minus T2. Therefore, x minus 3 minus into T1, 2x plus 1 is equals to T3, 3x minus 4 minus T2, x minus 3. Solve for x. X minus 3 minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 3x minus 4 minus x plus 3. Solve for x. Then minus x minus 4 is equal to 2x minus 1. Therefore, minus 2x minus x is equals to minus 1 plus 4. Minus 2x minus x minus 3x is equals to 3. Divide by minus 3, divide by minus 3. Whatever you do on the left, you will do the right. Therefore, x is equals to minus 1. Therefore, x is equals to minus 1. Therefore, the first term will be 2 into minus 1 plus 1. Second term, minus 1 minus 3. Third term, 3 into minus 1 minus 4. Therefore, the first 3 terms, it's minus 2 plus 1, which is minus 1, is 2, minus 1, minus 3, minus 4, minus 3, minus 4, it's minus 7. These are the first 3 terms. Determine the nth term of the sequence. Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, the nth term, a is minus 1 plus n minus 1 into the common difference is T2 minus T1 is going to be minus 3. Therefore, is equals to minus 1 n times minus 3 minus 3n plus 3. Therefore, nth term is equal to minus 3n plus 2. We have this sequence, 1 is to minus 4 is to minus 7. The sum of this arithmetic sequence Sn is equals to minus 176. Find the value of n. Sn is equals to n over 2 into 2n to a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, substitute. Sn is equals to minus 176 is equal to n is unknown, n over 2 into 2, the value of a is minus 1 plus n minus 1 into d, the value of d is minus 3. Solve for n. Minus 176 is equal to n over 2 into 2 times minus 1 minus 2 minus 3n plus 3. Therefore, multiply by 2 on both sides. Minus 352 is equal to n into 1 minus 3n. Solve for n. minus 352 is equal to n minus 3n squared. Therefore, take whatever is on the right, you send the left hand side. Therefore, 3n squared minus n minus 352 is equals to 0. So for n, we have to factorize 3n and n. Factors of 352 that will give us minus 1 is 32 and 11. Therefore, the bigger number take the sign of the middle term. Therefore, n is equal to 11. N can never be a negative number. N is equal to 11.